Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your online presence with Squarespace. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by signing in to your Squarespace account. If you don't have an account, create one by selecting a template that suits your brand. Once logged in, navigate to the website dashboard. Click on the Pages tab to view your current site structure. To add a new page, click the plus icon. Choose the type of page you want to add, such as a blog or portfolio. After selecting a page type, name your page accordingly. To customize the content, click on the page you just created. Use the Edit button to modify text, images, and layout. In the side menu, explore design options to change fonts and colors. Next, go to the Design tab in the main menu. Select Site Styles to customize the overall look of your website. Adjust the fonts, colors, and spacing to align with your branding. For optimizing for mobile, check the mobile preview in the Design menu. Now, return to the dashboard and click on Settings. Under Site Title, enter your business name and tagline. Ensure your website's logo is uploaded in the Logo and Titles section. Next, navigate to the SEO settings to improve your site's visibility. Fill out the site description and keywords that represent your brand. Save your changes and go back to the main dashboard. To enhance functionality, click on Extensions in the menu. Explore the available integrations to add features like email campaigns or social media links. Once everything is set up, preview your site by clicking the Preview button. Review each page to ensure that text and images are displaying correctly. Finally, go back to the main dashboard and click Publish to make your site live. Congratulations, you have successfully upgraded your online presence with Squarespace. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.